Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to actually look at computer, the basic knowledge about computers. First and foremost, I would like us actually to know what it means by computer. In other words, a computer is an electronic device which accepts or that accepts the user input. You can call it data, process it under special instructions. Before we go any further about what we are supposed to discuss today, according to that brief introduction of a computer, I would like us actually to go to the characteristics of a computer. One, we have what we call speed. When you look at the speed, a computer is very fast in performing what we call work or in manipulating digits. It can manipulate digits in a shorter time. Another one is what we call storage. A computer has a large storage capability, which is even faster to retrieve information from actually received data. Another thing we have to talk about is actually accuracy. When you look at the accuracy, the degree of accuracy of a computer is very high, and the same for every calculation being performed, though it depends on the accuracy of data fed in the computer. Another one is actually versatility. When you look at the versatility, we look at actually how the computer is mobile, how the computer is flexible. Another one is actually the diligence, the ability of a computer to perform some task over and over a long time. Guys, before I actually come to an end, I would like us also to I would like to take you through the limitations. You know, these computers have also problems, mechanical what and so forth. One of the limitations is actually a computer cannot think. That's another thing. A computer cannot think. Another one is actually a computer cannot make decisions. You cannot expect a computer to make a decision unless if it is being programmed by a user. A user can be you, can be me, can be anyone who is actually imposed in knowing the knowledge of a computer. Another one is a computer has no feeling. It works its own like that. Another is a computer cannot learn from experience, unlike the human beings, unlike the user. First and foremost, I would like to take you also through the reasons as to why we are studying what computer skills. One is to acquire the knowledge and skills in the use of computers. Another is actually to understand the important issues to further studies in computer technology. Another one is to use the variety. You know what I mean by the variety is actually to explore different types of computers. Another one is actually we study computers like in order to apply them in jobs. Of course, right now the world is actually science and technology. You cannot operate your work like without computers. Everything is now computerized. Another one is we study computer to pass exams. Yeah, we study computer to pass exams. Guys, I would like to stop here for now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share. Thanks. Have a blessed week. Thank you. Bye.